How to create an immutable class using Freezed package. Freezed is a code generation package that helps you to create data classes in Dart. Let's get started. First, let's add the Freezed package and its dependencies to our puppet.yaml file. The build runner is used to generate code and perform various tasks related to building and running Flutter app. The Freeze annotation provides support for generating code for creating immutable data classes. The JSON serializable is used for generating code to serialize and deserialize Dart objects to and from JSON. To use Freezed, we have to import Freezed annotation package and create a path file where the generated code will be placed. Now, let's define an immutable data class using Freezed. Here we have defined a person class with the properties name and age. As this is an immutable class and its values can only be set through the constructor, we need to annotate our data class with the keyword Freezed. Next, we need to run this command to generate the required files. Here, the build runner will scan our project for any files that require generation and create the necessary files for us. Finally, we can create a person object and set its values using the constructor. Here, you can see we have created a list of users which contains the person object. Now, we can use this list anywhere we want. I use this list in a list view.builder to display the list of users.